How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I'm gonna do how to get thicker hands step by step naturally. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support, helps the channel grow. So first exercise we are going to do is going to be extensions like this. Perfect, quick little break. We are then going to do curls like this. Quick little break. Okay, we're then going to do the claw stretch. So get your hands squeezed really, really tight and hold like this. Keep going, keep going. Hold for 10 more seconds. Keep going, keep going. Perfect. End the video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already.